50% of jobs are on the brink of extinction in the next 2 decades. What's worse, human workers are already being replaced by AI in almost half of all global corporations. However, amidst this tantalizing gloom, AI is predicted to add up to $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. What should be your next step then? Cultivate AI skills, because it's the key to securing a future in AI jobs and sheltering your finances in the face of future storms. In this video, we're going to share the top 11 in-demand AI skills you need now to zoom past 97% of people. We will rank these skills according to our defined skill score rubric.
Why don't you explain this to me like I'm 5?
While also providing our reasoning so you can prioritize which skills are the right skills for you to learn. Here's how we are scoring the skills. For each skill, we use a scale of 5 to 1, based on ease of learning, competition in the market, and available job opportunities criteria. A score of 5 suggests that a skill is easy to acquire, has low competition, and has more high-income opportunities, meaning you can make a high income working for a company or working for yourself. While a score of 1 suggests that a skill is difficult to acquire, has high competition, and has less high-income opportunities.
I think that pretty much sums it up.
To summarize this score, we will give an overall rating with the maximum attainable score of 15. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with the first skill, machine learning. Machine learning encompasses data analysis that assists with automating the AI analytical models. The basic idea is to make AI models independent to utilize data and perform tasks like identifying patterns, making decisions, and learning from data independently. To claim yourself as a specialist in this field, you must acquire skills like refining models for improved functioning, programming the algorithms, and training the dataset models. Further, you must have a firm grip on the mathematical principles of machine learning to have a better practical efficiency. What if I say machine learning has already hemmed everything around you? Think about the automatic recommendations you get on Netflix and YouTube about the movies and videos you should watch next, and surprisingly, they align with your taste. AI machines store data on what content you prefer to watch, and then utilize this information to make future recommendations. Siri and Alexa are AI models incorporated with machine learning. If you remember using them, you'll agree they've revolutionized your daily life by learning from your interactions, making them more personalized and intuitive. You can schedule your meetings, make phone calls, and more. According to our skill score metrics, machine learning scores 3, indicating it's more challenging for beginners to learn due to requiring basic programming knowledge. As a newbie, you face greater competition because the field has graduated and trained both kinds of professionals, scoring this skill a 2 on our score metrics. You don't have to worry about attaining a job with this high level of competition. The high income opportunity score is 5, indicating that there are many income opportunities available in this field, whether you want to work from a local firm or online platforms. Machine learning promises a bright future with easy learning, more job opportunities, and acceptable competition. So we give it an overall score of 10 out of 15. Now let's jump into the second skill. Deep learning is the subdomain of machine learning that is based on neural network training through algorithms and data. It involves mimicking human brain results using pre-trained neural networks. Multiple complex and critical tasks require AI's deep learning for better processing and recognition. To be a specialist in this field, you'll need a strong grasp of data collection, data processing, hyperparameter tuning, and model training. An example is deepfake, where Facebook utilizes AI to recommend tagging a particular person in the posted picture using image recognition. The Alexa you use throughout the day for performing your tasks stems from deep learning. By adopting a human learning process, Alexa stores your preferences, task timings, and more to give you a fully personalized experience. Indeed, deep learning is a complex AI skill to adopt, earning it a score of 1 for ease of learning according to our skill score metrics, showing that this skill is pretty much difficult to learn. Having lots of condensation, newcomers face a hard time in high competition when they enter the deep learning AI skill. So we'll give it a 2 for the highest level of competition as per our skill score metrics. There are 5 out of 5 high-income opportunities, which means there are tons of options available for you to make a high income. So we can give an overall 8 out of 15 score to this skill, as only those with intense dedication will manage to advance. Excited to know what's next on our AI skills list? Prompt engineering involves optimizing and developing prompts for the effective use of language models for enhanced research and multiple other applications. Prompt engineers are responsible for finding out what ticks an AI language model. With the help of carefully crafted prompts and utilizing accurate vocabulary, prompt engineers harvest to improve and build chatbots. This helps to uncover errors and makes new amendments, thinking where it fits in the technological world. Regenerative language AI models like Bard AI and ChatGPT are examples of prompt engineering. You send them a prompt and they respond with the most suitable response. Prompt engineers incorporate relatable information, questions, and prompts while designing the system of a virtual AI health assistant. This makes it easier for patients to input their health condition information and get personalized help. The ease of learning score of 4 would be suitable since we have all used prompt engineering since ChatGPT was introduced. As the competition is on a scale of 4, you will have a good chance of making your place in the field easily. Steady growth in prompt engineering brings it to a score of 5 for high-income opportunities. Considering prompt engineering is one of the top 11 in-demand AI skills you need to know, we'll score it 13 out of 15. The next skill is a pretty complex one.
Extremely complex problem in logic.
So let's check it out. AI software development is the ability to comprehend and apply sound programming languages, especially in Python, Java, R, C++, JavaScript, and others, which can then be used to help generate algorithms and design models. Mastering AI software development means that you have the ability to empower machines to visualize, assimilate, and reflect and bring intelligent systems to life via programming languages. To understand AI software development, you can imagine yourself as a specialist who is able to create applications like ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Jasper AI, with the addition of making them more niche-orientated to a specific niche or audience. An AI software development specialist also develops diagnostic tools to help analyze medical images, like an X-ray report. These tools utilize deep learning algorithms that help healthcare professionals make quick and timely disease diagnoses. AI software development has become more accessible, with a score of 3 thanks to a ton of online libraries. Despite this, don't fool yourself into thinking a 2 out of 5 competitive score analysis will make it easier for you to compete. Where the competition is high, there is a 5 out of 5 abundance of high-income opportunities. Thus, assuming AI software development is a high-value and in-demand skill, we'll score it 10 out of 15. Now let's hop on to our skill number 5. Natural language processing is AI's ability to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Artificial intelligence utilizes algorithms to understand and extract meaningful text or speech data information. Instant responses to website users are made possible with the help of NLP-powered chatbots. They understand your queries and generate human responses to resolve your issues. Did you know that sentiment analysis is a massive part of the financial industry? It's done through NLP for beneficial investment decisions and growing market trends. NLP's technical nature makes it score 1 in terms of ease of learning and 3 in terms of being highly competitive. Though the high-income opportunity score is 4, you'll still have to put in lots of effort to make your place valuable. So an overall score of 8 is justified for NLP. Ready to know what's next? The next skill is data analysis. Artificial intelligence helps decision-making by inspecting, purifying, transferring, and crafting data with the help of programming skills, data visualization, and statistical analysis techniques. Can you imagine the role of data analysis in environmental monitoring? Environmental science depends on data analysis based on the data collected from satellites and weather stations. Researchers use AI data analysis to automate these predictions. Industry giants like Amazon keep records of click-through rates and browsing history for optimizing prices, inventory planning, and product recommendations. Data analysis lies in a score of 4 for ease of learning and 4 for competition. That's good, as you'll not have to face very high competition. There's good room for high-income opportunities, yet competition makes it somewhat tricky to score 3. As an attractive and crucial career, data analysis holds an overall score of 11 out of 15. Have you watched the movie I, Robot? Good if you have, because the next skill relates to it. Robotics is the collaboration of technology and imagination with the symphony of programming and analytics. It involves the construction of robots in the form of physical machines and software programs. Have you ever witnessed machines filling jam jars in factories? Those machines are the most common examples of robots. But if you think these robots are confined to pesky tasks like filling jam bottles, you may have to reconsider your thoughts. Why? Because these robots are intelligent enough to perform surgeries like the Da Vinci surgical system. They assist surgeons in performing minimally invasive, otherwise impossible procedures. Do you enjoy watching robots perform tasks? Then are you courageous enough to learn robotics and construct your own robot, because we scored it 4 for ease of learning? Being somewhat competitive and requiring professionals, we kept it on a score of 2. If you're a professional looking to work in the robotics industry, then you have a moderate chance of finding ways to make high income in this field, scoring 3 in the high income opportunity. Robotics scored 9 out of 15 overall due to plenty of competition. Now let's jump into the next skill. Product management with AI/ML involves a coupling between the cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning technology for developing, improving, and optimizing products and software based on the user experience and other data-driven insights. How will you manage AI projects? Do you know what your responsibilities will be? Imagine yourself as an AI product manager in an autonomous vehicle company. You will be responsible for inducing safety features and improving connectivity derived from the user experience to give the user a secure and safe journey. Why are there 3.2 billion gamers on the planet today? Because AI product managers improve their experience. They work to improve the in-game experience, giving realistic environments and responsive gameplay, which initiates more people to adopt gaming. Being a critically complex skill, it has scored 4 out of 5 in terms of ease of learning, making a few people pursue it, and ultimately resulting in a low competition score of 3. Our industries, from gaming to medical, are reshaping with product management technology. That's why many high-income opportunities are available, making it a 4 out of 5 score. As a result, this skill has been assigned an overall score of 11 out of 15. Are you tired? Well, the next skill will fill you up with energy. Computer vision involves adding the skill of visualizing to the machines to help them interpret visual data and see the world. Self-driving vehicles utilize computer vision while driving to check if the road has any traffic or not. This enhances driving efficiency by perceiving and navigating the surroundings. You might be surprised to know that the agriculture sector is also investing in computer vision for monitoring the health of crops, identifying pests, and enhancing irrigation systems. Looking at complex applications of computer vision, we are convinced that it has a score of 1 for ease of learning, with a score of 3 for the competition, showing moderate competition due to the complexity in acquiring such a skill, yet there being a high demand in the market. Being a comparatively new and growing skill, there are a lot of high-income opportunities with a score of 4 and more possibilities in the future. For the overall score, this skill stands at 8 out of 15. Now we're moving on to the next skill. Cloud and AI deployment involves applying and managing cloud computing solutions, utilizing AI technology for improving and optimizing decision-making and business tasks. Cloud solutions architects design cloud infrastructures to improve the cost and scalability of a business. From finance to the tech industry, cloud and AI deployment is applicable almost everywhere. Cybersecurity is a hugely discussed topic in today's technological world. Cloud AI architects utilize the power of AI to craft unbreakable encryption codes to improve the safety of giant companies. Regarding ease of learning, you will be disappointed to see the skill on a score of 2. Because understanding complex computing principles is difficult for newbies. Despite the increased complexity of learning, the competition is moderate with a score of 3, but on the other hand, there will also be many high-income opportunities with a score of 4, as this field is rapidly growing. Cloud and AI development acquired an overall score of 9 out of 15. Our journey is about to end, as we're heading towards our last skill. Data engineering is the collection and conversion of raw data in readable and consumable form after collecting, managing, and converting data. Not clear about the idea yet? Explore these real-life examples to understand this skill, to learn and carve a better future for yourself, where most people may not even have their jobs anymore because of AI. Curious to know where these data engineers stand? Tech giants like Google and Facebook are worthless without data engineers. A data engineer designs and maintains all the data pipelines containing real-time analytics and user-generated and personalized data. You'll be surprised to know that you can have a crucial role as a data engineer in companies like NASA and SpaceX. How? Data engineering helps space exploration companies predict satellites' motions, examine celestial bodies, and research further data. Now, let's have a quick score evaluation for this skill. It is a moderately easy to learn skill with a score of 3, giving you a somewhat tough competition by standing on a score of 3. With vast applications, there's a score of 4 for high income opportunities. Having substantial job prospects, we'll score this skill as 10 out of 15 cumulatively. As we wrap up our video, here are the top 3 AI skills we believe you should prioritize right now in order to zoom past your peers. Prompt engineering, product management, and data analysis. You don't have to be a tech guru to learn these AI skills. The right resources and commitment can enable anyone to acquire and use these skills. Taking steps to master artificial intelligence can provide job security with an increasingly automated world. Ready to elevate your career potential? Comment below whether you agree or disagree with our top 3 AI skills. Be sure to subscribe for more AI content, and be sure to like this video if you would like us to rank different AI tools in the market next.